Unpacking the phrase, he's a health nut. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression that you might have heard. He's a health nut. This phrase is packed with meaning and is a great example of how English speakers often use vivid language to describe people's habits or personalities. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. When someone says, he's a health nut, they're describing a person who is extremely enthusiastic about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This usually means they have a strong focus on eating healthy foods, exercising regularly, and possibly avoiding things that are considered unhealthy, like junk food or sedentary activities. The word nut, in this context, doesn't mean the edible seed. Instead, it's slang for someone who is very passionate or even obsessive about a particular thing. The term health nut emerged as part of the growing awareness and interest in health and fitness. While the exact origin is hard to pin down, it's clear that the phrase became popular as more people started valuing the importance of health and wellness in their lives. The word nut has been used since the late 19th century to describe someone who is enthusiastic to the point of obsession about a specific interest or hobby. Using the phrase, he's a health nut, is quite straightforward. It's often used in casual conversations to describe friends, family members, or even celebrities who are known for their dedication to health and fitness. Here are a few examples. You won't find any junk food in her house. She's a real health nut. I've started following this new workout routine. I guess you could say I'm becoming a health nut. Remember, the tone when using this phrase can vary from admiring to playful teasing, but it's rarely used in a negative or derogatory way. The phrase, he's a health nut, also reflects broader cultural trends, especially in societies where there's a significant focus on health consciousness and lifestyle balance. It highlights how attitudes towards health and fitness can become integral parts of someone's identity and social image. We hope this exploration of the phrase, he's a health nut, has been enlightening and enjoyable for you. English is a rich language full of descriptive phrases that paint vivid pictures of our lives and personalities. Whether you're a health nut yourself or simply love learning about the nuances of English, we're glad you joined us for this journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to incorporate these lively expressions into your conversations. See you in the next video.